morning everyone. Today we'll start next collar, flattering collar. Okay, this is flattering collar. The collar is cutting like this. Let's see the drafting. Same drafting. Okay, here back part and front part is same, but for the front part drafting, leave some space, at least 3 to 4 inches space. Leave it and start drafting for the front part. Back part no need of any space. Okay, same. Neck width is neck round divided by 4 minus 0.5 inches. Shoulder plus 1 divided by 2, 1.25 down marking. Join these two. And armhole, chest divided by 6 plus 1 inch. Chest marking is chest round plus 3 inches losing divided by 4, 1 inch margin. From here to here mark the center. From the center take full length plus 1 inch. And waist round marking, waist round plus 2 inches losing divided by 4 and margin 1 inch extra. From here to here mark the center. From the center marking take 1 inch inside, and from here take 0.5 inches inside. Take 0.75 inches as the cross marking. Join arm shape. This is for the front arm, and for the back arm from here take 0.5 inches and draw the arm shape. This is for the back arm. And for the neck part same, 0.75 inches back part neck deep is 0.75 inches, and for the front part neck deep is how much deep you want, you can take it. 8 inches, 9 inches, 10 till end if you want, you can take it, no problem. Okay, here I am taking neck deep of front part is 9 inches. Okay, let's draft the collar. This is back block and this is front block. Okay, for the back block shape 0.5 inches down, take round shape. Now 0.5 inches, this one. Okay, here 0.5 inches is for the stitching. You will be getting stitching of 0.5 inches. And here also 0.5 inches shoulder attachment. Now for collar drafting we need these measurements. See here, this is back block 0.5 inches. This is for the neck part finishing and this is for the shoulder. Now how much we are getting? This is 3.25 inches. Back part from here to here I am getting 3.25 inches. And front part, leave 3.25. And from here to here how much it is then? It's 12.75 inches. Okay, 12.75 inches. Total the width of the length of the collar is 12.75 inches. For collar drafting, take canvas piece or any lining piece or something. Okay, take one piece for the reference drafting. Draw one straight line. Okay, from here we should mark the 12.75 inches. Total length of the collar how much we got? 12.75 inches. 12.75 inches we have to mark it there. From here mark that 12.75 inches. And width of the collar is, here I am taking 3 inches, 2.75 inches, 3.25. Okay, till 3.5 inches you can take it, the width of the collar. Here I am taking 3 inches. Now we'll mention the neck width. Here the neck width is neck round divided by 4 minus 0.5 inches. How much you are getting? Same value here we have to mark it. Here the neck width is neck round 12.5 divided by 4 minus 0.5 inches, 2.6. From here we have to mark 2.6 inches. Okay, from here we have to mark 2.6 inches. Now join from this point to this point. From here mark 2.6 inches. Now mark the center from here to 2.6 marking. From here take 0.75 inches. From here take 0.75 inches and join from this corner to this marking. Okay, and we need shape. Okay, here we are getting the shape. Okay, for this shape here we'll take 0.5 inches above. Mark 0.5 inches. From here to here we are getting 0.5 inches. Now from this point to this marking, join like a curve shape. See, this is the flattering collar. Here if you want shape you can take here. Here if you want shape like this you can take it. Otherwise directly we'll take the shape like this. This is front part, right? Place this one. Okay, this piece whatever we cutted now, that piece we have to place like this. For placing here take extra, take some extra and do the placement like this. Now mark the center. This is center line. Now place this one. Whatever the shape is there, this is the marking, right? From here, same position, place it. And extend this one. Whatever the shape is there, same shape you have to trace it. Okay, done. Here we'll add margin of 0.5 inches. Okay, here 0.5 inch margin and here take 0.75 inches extra. Okay, here take 0.75 inches extra. Then we'll start cutting front part and back part separately. Done. Okay, this is back part, neck part. This is for the front part. We'll be getting collar like this. See, the collar is folding like this and we'll join like this. Okay, let's see. Back part cutting. For collar cutting, take one piece of fabric, whatever the collar piece is there. Okay, take one piece of fabric, place your front part on the top of the fabric. Same, whatever the shape is there, same shape we have to draft it. Here we'll take 2 inches extra. Okay, from here to here we'll take 2 inches extra for the finishing. Collar finishing, here we'll take 2 inches extra. This is for the collar part. Let's see how to stitch the collar.